Can the quantum field theory be associated with the rebirth concept? If so, can the to and fro mechanism of our souls nourish the greater conscious and in return refine the next birth? See, it's like this. Quantum field theory is a scientific theory. Rebirth is in the realm of philosophy and spirituality. These are separate things. A theory in science is not necessarily going to be applicable to philosophy or spirituality. What is the difference between science and philosophy? Science deals with the physical world, with the observable world, the world we can see and touch and observe and perform experiments upon. That is the limited scope of science. Philosophy also concerns itself with the observable world, but it also concerns itself with imaginary or non-observable phenomena or objects such as the soul, the consciousness, ethics, and morality. So these things are non-scientific because science is only about the physical world. Philosophy is greater than science. Science is a subset of philosophy. Science emerged out of philosophy, but philosophy transcends science. So when you talk about the soul, reincarnation, rebirth, well, we have no physical, undeniable evidence of this, and therefore this doesn't fall in the realm of science. So, how do we associate quantum field theory with rebirth? Well, as far as I understand, with the knowledge that we have today, we cannot associate these two concepts. There seem to be some connections between ancient Indian philosophy and quantum physics. There seem to be some connections, but those are all hypothetical as of now. There is a reason why quantum physicists, theoretical physicists, are invariably drawn towards Indian philosophy, because it looks like Indian philosophy can inspire you into going in the right directions, or maybe it can inspire you by giving you some possible answers. But there is no direct one-to-one connection between the two as we know today. So can quantum field theory be associated with rebirth concept? Well, I don't know. I can't answer the question because these are two different questions. Philosophy and science are separate. Spirituality and science are separate. So my answer is I don't know. We have no means of answering that question. We don't know for sure with proof that rebirth actually happens. There are many stories, there are many claims, but how can you prove this for sure? Right? So that's a question. From a scientific perspective, you cannot prove or disprove rebirth and reincarnation. And therefore, this is not a theory or concept that belongs inside science. It belongs inside spirituality and philosophy. So that's the answer to this question in brief.